Oh man, look at that. That is some nasty looking brass from our day at the range today. Look at that. Wow. What to do, what to do. Well, I'll show you what to do. I like to use a wet tumbler. Little Harbor Freight cheapy model here. Everything into tumbler. There you go. Along with, we've got our, this is what we use, Fruit Fresh here. This is citric acid. Gotta like that. A little sprinkling of some citric acid on there, right? A couple of little squirts of soap. Some hot water. Very nice. And then now, I know not everybody has the steel pin set up, but you can do this if you put it in a waterproof container, right? Say something like this. You can do the same thing. Put it in there, just get the steel pins, roll it around the floor for 20 minutes, and it will come out exactly like this. Now to check on that poker game.